Our current system allows too much concentration of power, too much room for corruption to flourish. It is a system that protects the interests of a few while the majority suffer. We, the youth of this nation, cannot afford to sit on the sidelines any longer. You must become the architects of a new Ghana, a country where governance is about service, not self-enrichment, where public office is about protecting the resources of this nation, not exploiting them. You must rise up and be the generation that says, enough is enough. Economic mismanagement, government corruption, and the environmental crisis are not separate issues.